18002A heat sublimation printer. 1.8 meters print width for this machine, suitable for producing advertising and transferring printing in almost of material. It is used to eco-solvent printing and sublimation printing. The machine uses Epson i3200 print heads, adopted with SDT technology, which improves printing resolution and color revivification degree. Lifting aluminum alloy ink stack. Intelligent automatic cleaning and maintenance of the print head. Anti-collision system to prevent materials from scratching the nozzle. The industry's high-end board system has good stability, low failure rate and durability. Silent linear guide rails are used to ensure high precision and stable operation of the equipment and longer service life. High-quality servo industrial motor drive system. Intelligent control panel. Easily adjust print head and printing position. Intelligence segmented heating, front and back heating, while preventing ink flow. The control area of the vacuum absorption platform ensures printing stability efficiently. 3-level adjustable paper pressing wheel. Adapt to various printing consumables. Intelligent drying system. Cold and hot air heating and drying system synchronized with printing, energy saving.